Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kynhun Ïalehkai softball ke jela kalami nakanongba bandai shimenta ke 46 Senior National Championship arja arpusan keban sedang nadu ke arpu tarik hadu arpundu tarik urempang arja arpusan ha Amravati Maharashtra. Shwa bagan ke Kynhun kan mi nakanongba nakaliang ke Meghalaya Softball Association ha khandai tarik urempang arja arpusan kala penong ye ke jingalang ke bekerpang nakabentaban ai kublai kit bok kit riang Ïaka ke Kynhun jongki kenthei bat shenrang bakin Ïalehkai bha ha ketiga dumpung. Hakani ke sengi le dan lang Presiden ke Senjuk Dr. Aman kumjuk ke Sekretari ke Kong Rida Lendam lembat ki dekat ke Senjuk.
Tang baflar President Shwa ke state hakani kala dega achievement. Mendai tang ya ka softball association mendai yang ni paro lang kibadan lang but players but kinong era but kini ki officials kibadan lang ni kadiga achievement. To promote this, we have seen the improvement in the last Meghalaya games. We have seen how you performed. Tremendous. The improvement was, I never expected that you will be playing like that. And I am very, very hopeful. Narong kajing karman. Bada kani kajing Leit kajong Pinwan Pai. Kum kiba shampang. Kiba la khamsutu kani ka game. But kapangi kwa kalong ba darang yo ban pinwara ya kajing job kata will be very, very satisfying for all of us. Kata you have that capacity. You go there, perform and show to the whole of India how our team is from Meghalaya. We wish you all the very best. We try to provide the best comfort to you. We try to provide. We'll do our best, and we'll try to improve on this. But alongside, you also will have to try your best, not only in this tournament but other tournaments that are coming.
Yakni ka team ka bangin Leit menta sipo Amravati bangin participate ka senior national softball championship ka banong po Amravati nado arpu hadu arpu real te ki khna jongi ki kadai nado hapor ka ba ni sedang ni ka Ïalehkai bangin pen im ka kadai 2011 hadin ka to pade Ïalehkai Arsenal national Ïalehkai ka ja yang they then by last 3 years pada dia sedang revive biang but hadin juga kata bang zang man Ïalehkai biang dan sedang ikut state championship ke ba fourth kini kena ke third kini kena jungi apa bang Ïalehkai ke kita kata ke improvement di hadin kata ni once last year biang 2024 ni zang fourth senior state championship Yo bahai ka jing improve ka jong kena nomor ba aku tu ko pongi boy kini senior players kini sebut teman di district kini ban ai coaching camp tibot ni lakta lo di kini ka Khasi Hills ka Janta Hills but kali boy ni lakta lo di district ni yo players nang tu tiki wana ka last year state championship ki bahai ka improvement jong ki after which pring songu pada sikat dei ruba ka MSUA ka Department of Sports and Affairs ka perung ini ka Meghalaya Games then how December ni dan ni state championship how January ni dan ni ka Meghalaya Games quite an improvement kila tio ba kina ji ban Ïalehkai kata ka politik long habang yu iya kata nakaliang ka association kini ong ba kidon kam ban exposure siya ba tingi pa man tay ki bikin Leit kan ka senior national championship ya kini ka coaching camp ni yo portang kumba sansi ni le number due to fund constraint mo wala ka government kay rap ingir kum kay rap lang kum ju ya baro ringidon hi ki financial constraint number ba ni have travel as a team they individually they one team room ni dan jing kat lai kat sangun kata ni social minimum number ba depend on the financial thing bani don ringi don pada kibar bichas ki pai rap ni tingi penlong kita coaching camp sansi nado last week apa Aman dan Malki ni kham yo madan station room ni yo Malki ni songo kat dei the high coaching camp ru ka pressure ka bagi kena ki sha ka coaching camp kishim kita die hard kita ya le kita imet but bor met but mensim but new bakadon ke improvement kam tang akan yang ke pitching which is the most important position ka bang you don't come po softball kam good pitcher ting minum la you achieve then rai matau snem new in akan shenrang you don't kumba laingot ki pitcher ki don't way main but I'm not gonna pa ki back up hakin ke thairup menta this time ni la yo ban bo back up lo pa pitcher ting so men shikat dei baki don ki di khna ki kiyo but ni next kam ba can learn some more can let ka exposure junkie but can one pie but inang target syuk syakamat yaitu e-zone kam tamu ada kawan akan national games lagi kat no target dia kata dia ndai sepang ni ka softball pada ka por ka bangin Ïalehkai ni ka kam tam ka women's team ka team ka baklan ma tinggi la long 8 position in the country ila abad dia kata abad kata ka por ka dia ka ba ni yo ibe international player nam ni na po men la jun tadi kom dapel di dalam warkar dia ka por i la represent ka junior team ka Indian team ka junior international level then ringkat bat i pedeng ni dan pada salai ngot ki bat dan lain coaching camp tering kham la ban pois tham du tang kong di dapel thì ni don kata achievement lagi kan thai lagi thai ni don coach minta iwe kan thai but iwe mana kan ni dang should pass ya kan ka 6 week certificate course iwe kan thai hi ni so much kat day ba ni la nang grow but kam tam mentau snem ni kumbang ni snow tho shisha ba nakalang kan thai number 1 competition director mana kan ni po men games udah first level international coach Indian coach uang yang ni number 1 ba uang ba ke potential ke jong ki khna jong ni han ni po me glaya ka khamla mani potential jong ki ba shaba kham tam ki ke the ti stress yang aru uang ba la da pen klan ki team ke the ki don chance ba there's good potential ti ni kermen ba nang ni khamat min dang sei shu ki khna Ïalehkai ba ni sa yo so